Welcome to Auto Drive Review, where we explore the machines redefining the limits of engineering and technology, and today we are taking a deep dive into the 2026 Su-57 fighter jet, a marvel of Russian aerospace innovation. The Su-57 stands at the forefront of fifth-generation fighter design, combining advanced stealth capabilities with high-speed performance and multi-role flexibility. As you look at the jet from the outside, you immediately notice its sharp angular lines and aggressive stance. The entire airframe is shaped to reduce radar cross-section with sawtooth edges, serrated panel joints, and faceted surfaces that scatter radar waves in all directions. The twin-engine layout is tucked beneath sculpted nacelles that merge seamlessly into the fuselage and wings, giving the aircraft an almost alien presence in the sky. The fuselage itself is coated in radar-absorbent material designed to further reduce detectability across multiple spectra, including radar and infrared. The forward-swept intakes and blended wing body not only contribute to stealth but also enhance aerodynamic efficiency, resulting in high lift, low drag, and excellent maneuverability. Every part of the Su-57's exterior serves a purpose in combat. Its nose cone houses a powerful AESA radar, while the cockpit canopy is tinted with a special coating to shield the pilot from electromagnetic radiation and minimize heat signature. Twin vertical stabilizers are canted outward and work in tandem with thrust vectoring nozzles to give the jet extreme agility in both close-range engagements and evasive maneuvers. The landing gear is reinforced for operation from rugged airstrips or makeshift runways, highlighting the aircraft's flexibility in different combat theaters. The weapons bays are internal, preserving the stealth profile even when loaded with missiles and guided bombs. Onboard sensors are cleverly embedded across the surface of the jet, including electro-optical targeting systems and infrared search and track modules that allow passive detection of enemy aircraft. From its sleek contours to the absence of unnecessary surface protrusions, the Su-57 in 2026 is clearly engineered for survivability in contested airspace and superiority in both beyond visual range and close-quarters engagements. Step inside the cockpit and you find an environment that blends cutting-edge digital technology with pilot-centric ergonomics. The Su-57 features a fully glass cockpit dominated by two large multifunctional displays that present flight data, mission parameters, and targeting information in real time. The interface includes touch-sensitive controls and is compatible with voice commands, allowing the pilot to operate critical systems without removing hands from the flight controls. A wide-angle heads-up display is projected directly onto the canopy, delivering essential information without requiring the pilot to look away from the field of vision. The layout is clean, minimalistic, and designed to accommodate high G-forces, with everything within arm's reach while seated in the advanced K36D5 ejection seat. This seat includes high-altitude life support and automatic ejection sequencing, ensuring pilot safety during emergency conditions at any speed or altitude. The cockpit is pressurized and climate-controlled with oxygen generation systems and helmet-integrated displays ready for augmented reality data in future updates. Now let's move to what powers this beast. The 2026 Su-57 is equipped with the Saturn Izdali A30 engines, the long-awaited propulsion upgrade designed to provide supercruise capabilities. That means the jet can maintain supersonic speeds without relying on afterburners, significantly reducing its heat signature and fuel consumption in combat. This translates to higher endurance, longer range, and better survivability. The engines also incorporate thrust vectoring, which allows the aircraft to perform complex aerial maneuvers, including high angle of attack turns and vertical loops. The maximum speed is approximately Mach 2, while the range is around 1,500 kilometers in combat conditions and over 3,500 kilometers with external tanks or refueling. The Su-57 carries a wide variety of weapons, including long-range air-to-air missiles like the R-37M, medium-range missiles, precision-guided munitions, and potentially hypersonic weapons. In the near future, all of this is stored internally to preserve stealth and launched through specially designed bay doors that open and close in milliseconds. Onboard avionics include a sophisticated electronic warfare suite capable of detecting jamming and spoofing incoming radar and missile threats and launching countermeasures such as flares and chaff when necessary. The radar system is AN-036 Bielka active electronically scanned array, offering target tracking, detection of stealth aircraft, and high-resolution ground mapping even in electronic interference conditions. The Su-57 also has a distributed aperture system and infrared sensors, giving it full 360-degree awareness and target tracking without depending on active radar emissions. The aircraft's open architecture software design allows future upgrades to be installed without overhauling the airframe, which makes it future-proof for new weapon systems. Sensors and AI enhancements. Network-centric capabilities allow it to share targeting data and receive updates from satellites, drones, and other aircraft, making it a powerful command asset in a coordinated strike environment. Whether it is intercepting incoming threats, engaging enemy fighters, or striking targets deep behind enemy lines, the Su-57 has the tools to dominate. What makes the SU-57 especially unique in 2026 is its planned integration with autonomous and semi-autonomous systems including loyal wingman drones. This capability allows the pilot to control drone swarms from the cockpit, extending the operational reach of the jet without putting the main aircraft at risk. The jet can designate targets for drones, send reconnaissance tasks, or even coordinate joint missile attacks using AI-based battlefield analysis tools. This transforms the SU-57 from a single unit weapon into the centerpiece of a larger tactical ecosystem where every part is interconnected and mutually reinforcing. In addition, the SU-57 stealth is not just about shape and coating, it is supported by sophisticated emissions control that allows it to operate in radio silence for long periods while still navigating with precision and engaging targets when needed. Even its communication systems are encrypted, multi-band and jam-resistant, allowing it to function in contested electromagnetic environments where other aircraft may be blinded. As for cost, the 2026 SU-57 is estimated to fall in the range of $45 to $50 million per unit depending on configuration. Export packages and training systems included. This price is significantly lower than Western counterparts like the F-35 or F-22, making it an appealing option for countries looking to bolster their air forces with a fifth-generation fighter at a more accessible cost. While it is true that operational costs and availability of spare parts could influence long-term affordability, Russia has been investing heavily in localized production and simplified logistics to reduce reliance on foreign suppliers and speed up maintenance cycles. The projected production rate has increased with newer manufacturing facilities and export interest from countries in Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. With its cost-effectiveness coupled with high-end features, the SU-57 is positioned as not just a strategic military asset but also an economically viable platform for long-term force projection and air superiority. Thanks for watching Auto Drive Review, where we bring you the latest in high-performance vehicles and aerospace innovations. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2026 SU-57 fighter jet, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss future updates. Let us know in the comments what aircraft or defense tech you want us to cover next. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep your eyes on the skies.